SCP-682, also known as the hard-to-destroy reptile, was a formidable and dangerous entity contained by the SCP Foundation. Its ability to rapidly regenerate and adapt to any threat made it one of the most challenging anomalies to contain. However, when SCP-682 encountered Predaking, the giant robotic metallic figure from the Transformers robot universe, a new level of chaos ensued. Predaking, with his glowing yellow AI eye scanning the body of SCP-682, recognized a worthy opponent in the reptilian creature. As the two clashed, Predaking used his sharp-clawed robotic finger to clash with SCP-682's bladed tail. The impact of their battle echoed throughout the containment chamber, shaking the very foundations of the facility. As the fight intensified, SCP-682 unleashed waves of green energy from its tail, pushing back Predaking. But Predaking was not one to back down easily. With a twist of his metallic body, Predaking transformed into his dragon mode, unleashing a barrage of fire from his metallic mouth. The flames licked at SCP-682, causing intense burns, but the creature continued to fight on, emitting green energy waves from its roar to counter the attack. Predaking, now in his dragon form, took to the skies, circling around SCP-682. The robotic dragon dodged the creature's attacks with agility and precision, breathing fire down upon it from above. SCP-682 continued to emit green energy waves from its tail, trying to fend off the relentless assault. But the battle took a turn when two more dragons entered the fray. Smaug, the talking dragon from the Hobbit franchise, and Alduin, a powerful dragon from the Elder Scrolls series, joined forces with Predaking in attacking SCP-682. The three dragons worked in unison, coordinating their attacks and overwhelming the creature with their combined power. SCP-682 found itself facing off against three formidable opponents, each more powerful than the last. Alduin, with his immense strength and fiery breath, proved to be the greatest challenge of all. The dragon's relentless assault pushed SCP-682 to its limits, forcing it to retreat to safety for rest and recovery. After a grueling 12-hour battle, SCP-682 emerged battered and bruised, but still standing. The encounter with Predaking and the dragons had tested its limits like never before, but the creature's regenerative abilities ensured that it would live to fight another day. As the dust settled and the containment chamber fell silent once more, the SCP Foundation knew that they would have to be prepared for whatever challenges the future might bring, especially if SCP-682 were to encounter such formidable adversaries again. For now, the hard-to-destroy reptile remained contained, a dangerous anomaly waiting for its next opportunity to wreak havoc once more. Words,